How effective is vinegar as a cat repellent?
Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a very intriguing topic, the effectiveness of vinegar as a cat repellent. Whether you're a cat owner trying to protect certain areas of your home, or a garden enthusiast hoping to keep the neighbor's cats away, this discussion could prove invaluable.
What is a cat repellent?
Firstly, let's cover what a cat repellent is. In simple terms, a cat repellent is a substance or tool that deters cats from entering or damaging specific areas. These can be anything from commercial repellents available in the pet store, to natural substances like certain plants, spices, or household items, which bring us to the star of our discussion, vinegar.
Why vinegar?
You might wonder, why vinegar? Well, vinegar, particularly white vinegar, is often touted as an effective cat repellent. It's inexpensive, readily available, and non-toxic. Most importantly, cats dislike the strong, sharp smell of vinegar, which makes it a potentially powerful deterrent.
How effective is vinegar as a cat repellent?
So, let's get to the big question. Is vinegar an effective cat repellent? The answer is yes, to a degree. Cats are known to have a very keen sense of smell, which means they are usually averse to strong odors, such as the acidic smell of vinegar. However, the effectiveness of vinegar may vary from cat to cat due to individual differences in sensitivity and preferences. Also, remember that vinegar's smell dissipates over time and after exposure to the elements, so regular reapplication may be necessary.
How to use vinegar as a cat repellent?
Now that we understand its potential effectiveness, let's talk about how to use vinegar as a cat repellent. Do not apply vinegar directly to plants or surfaces without diluting, as it can cause damage. A good rule of thumb is to mix 1 part vinegar with 1 part water. Spray this mixture on the areas where you wish to deter cats. Repeat the application regularly, especially after rain or watering your garden. In conclusion, while vinegar can be a useful tool in your cat-repelling arsenal, it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution. It's always important to understand your cat's individual preferences and sensitivities. In any case, vinegar is a safe, readily available, and inexpensive option to try out. We hope this discussion has been helpful and illuminates your path toward a harmonious cohabitation with our feline friends. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of pet care.